how to use Sekai app. So here is the app play build remix. So words you play, words you create, words you own. So basically it's a new AI app where you can create your own AI games and then just share it to other users. So here is the idea and how to use it. You just basically browse like Instagram feed all the experiences created by other people. So here like you see all of these different games which are created with AI, and then you can just play them, and with the plus button in the bottom you can create your own game. So as you can see, that's that's your own game which I created. So I just did it, and then I just did it something like that, where you can then just browse and cut the loan, and then complete all of the, for example, this is, you just enter the prompt, create your own game, and then you can edit it, you can see the details, enter the chat about it. So that's kind of the idea. You can see I got like 80 likes for that. Pretty cool. Then you can also see some drafts. 1.8k people seen my game, which is quite cool. And then you can see settings. You can also delete the account. So yeah, that's kind of the idea in here. So that's just what you have, and then you can create your own jam, or then again you just browse through here, like all types of games, all types of Minecraft tile. Yeah, like all kinds of games, all kinds of. So yeah, that's kind of the idea of the app. And then you can see all of the different experiences, which you can see in here, the different bots. Then you can just chat, see who played with your game, and then you see just your account. So that's the idea. So definitely take a look at it. Pretty cool.